Hello again everybody, Dwayne here from DRFX, Forex and Trading. Taking a look at the pound US dollar daily chart. Right now the market has stalled a little bit at this area here, following the breakout that took place below this uptrend line. Now we're expecting that the downtrend is going to continue in favor of the US dollar, based on the strength of this downtrend that has been in place for quite some time now, which, as you can see, is part of the breakout from this large consolidation setup, which is part of this major downtrend that has started, or that was formed all the way back in 2007. So as you recall, the financial crisis created this period of risk haven buying of the US dollar, which, as you can see here, represented this sharp movement in favor of the US dollar. And following the end of that period, the market created this large consolidation setup, and we're now starting to see the breakout taking place from the support boundary, following the failed attempt that took place bullish. So this has created this downtrend here, and we're now seeing where the market has essentially taken a bit of a breaking above this inner downtrend line. And what is likely is that, assuming that this downtrend is going to continue, the market was going to continue to provide additional bearish signals in this area here in favor of the US dollar against the pound. Now, taking a closer look, you can see that the break of this uptrend line has taken the form of a bear crown head and shoulders pattern. This section here, this small range setup above the trend line, represents the left tip or the left shoulder. This double top section here, the center tip or the head, and then this movement that we're seeing taking place here would be considered the right tip or the right shoulder. So we have a slightly tilted head and shoulders pattern, bear crown setup, that looks as if it's going to be responsible for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, right now, we don't really have a clear setup in terms of what is going to be taking place here. It's a sharp movement that has taken place following this bullish movement. So what could take place is that this could actually lead to the formation of a consolidation, and then which will be followed by a breakout that continues the bearish movement. So this could take the form of a range or a pennant setup. So once this is formed, we'll then see the market break below the support boundary to continue the movement bearish. Now let's make this analysis a little bit more exciting, so to speak. Create a little bit more complication, which is always more fun. Now, even though this is a head and shoulders pattern that normally leads to the continuation of bearish trends, another possibility is that we could actually see the market be forming a fairly large consolidation setup in this region. So removing these for the time being, what we're going to be looking at is a possibility that these bullish and bearish waves that have been formed here could actually be the early indication to the start of the formation of a large consolidation setup. So this could be the first resistance point. This would be the support point. And we could then see the market, perhaps even right now, form a support point that will lead to a rally that will take us towards this area here, where the market would then U-turn once more to form another bearish wave and complete the formation of the consolidation. So that is another possibility that we could see for the pound US dollar over the next couple of weeks and months. Now, all of this projection is based on what we see take place across the currency market across all time frames. The market usually would give us certain types of waves that are either sharp and aggressive or slow and volatile, such as these here, which indicate that the market is going to be forming a consolidation. So right now we have two possibilities in terms of this currency pair. We'll either see the market complete the movement bearish, continue to move bearish, and break below the support point. But if we see the market struggling as it approaches this support point, or maybe even starts to do so before it reaches there, perhaps in this region here, then it's going to be a strong indication that we're going to be seeing the market rally and form another bullish wave to complete the formation of the consolidation. So I'll be very cautious in terms of trying to trade bearish right now because of this possibility. So let's wait a while and look out for signs that we're going to be seeing the market rally. Let's just draw this downtrend line here across these resistance points. The break of this downtrend line would also be confirmation that we're going to be seeing a rally. But we may actually see the market provide strong bullish signals before that break takes place. So the break of this trend line would actually possibly just be the second signal and act as a confirmation that we're going to be seeing the market rally. So an interesting setup and situation developing here on the pound. Bearish is a possibility to continue below the support point. But if we start to see the market struggle in this region here and then move sideways and begin to U-turn, then it's a strong indication that we're going to be seeing the market rally as it creates additional waves to complete the formation of this pennant, this consolidation setup. So assuming that we're going to be seeing a rally on the pound, these are going to be the targets if you're a swing trader, and these will be the targets if you're a day trader or scalper. There wouldn't be much in terms of a long-term possibility because we're trading against a trend. So in terms of the short term, we'll be taking advantage of that rally by targeting these types of trades, these types of targets, as the market rallies once more, as the market forms a small uptrend in favor of the pound. So let's wait to see what takes place here and take advantage of it.